Hello, my name is Michael. In this video, I will demonstrate a network port running services, a firewall rule, and a scheduled task in Windows Server. First, I will open PowerShell and run get net TCP connection. This command display active TCP connection and listening ports. From the results, I select ports 389 and 135. Port 389 is commonly used for LDAP or Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. ADA ADAP is used by directory services such as Active Directory to manage and query information about user groups, computers, and other network resources. Port 135 used by Microsoft RPC or Remote Procedure Call. This service allows different computers and applications to communicate and perform management tasks across a network. It is an important component of many Windows services. Next, I will display running services using get service where object status equal running. From the list, I select the DNS cache and time service. Atom Service is the remote desktop services. It allows administrators and authorized users to remotely access and manage the server. DNS cache is the client service. It resolves domain names into IP addresses and store DNS information locally to improve performance. Next, I will open the Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. I created inbound and outbound rules that allow TCP traffic on port 50,000. I will now disable and enable the rules to demonstrate how firewall rules can be managed. Enable rule. Finally, I open task schedule. Here is my schedule task that checks for Windows Update daily. Um, this task helps automate the maintenance and support system security by ensuring that update checks occur regularly. In conclusion, I demonstrate active network ports, running services, firewall rules, and schedule tasks. The ports I examined were 389 for ADAP and 135 for Microsoft RPC, while the services I examined were DNS Cache and Term Services. Thank you for watching.